Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Litecoin, and we'll be analyzing Litecoin, as you can see right here. So based on my previous analysis, as you can see, Litecoin actually like respected this trend line right here from the, I think from the monthly, was I drew this trend line from the monthly time frame, I guess. Yes, and as you can see right here, it has actually respected this trend line right here. So now the question is, if we're going to be breaking down or we're going to be breaking out of Litecoin, I don't know. So whatever breakouts that we're going to be breaking out, I will definitely be here to let each and every one of us know. Because left to me, I would have said from the beginning that, oh, I'm expecting a breakout to the upside, and which will be taking us all the way to roughly $1,000 plus. But honestly speaking, I can't say that we are going to be breaking out 100%, simply because, as you can see right here, there was a very long week right here. Can you see this week right here? That was a very, very long week right here, and this week right here, I am never going to ignore this week right here. I'm never going to ignore this week. This week right here, it's it's all sort of red flag. This week right here is a very big red flag for me. It's a very big red flag for me, and I honestly don't know what to say, but I do know one thing for sure, that this week right here, it cannot be ignored. It cannot be ignored. Maybe it has been long forgotten, but I'm missing this week. I cannot forget it. I can't forget it. So without wasting much of our time, I would say that we are still doing good on Litecoin. Litecoin is still doing very well. Like I said, worst case scenario, we should definitely expect the worst case scenario. And by expecting the worst case scenario is by ignoring the fact that there is a trend line here, just like what happened with Ethereum, ignoring that there is a trend line right here, and just thinking about this particular support right here, which is $50. Just think that there is a $50 support right here, which it has been tested so many times. As you can see right here, if I should take this, you can see it has been respected here, it has been respected here, it has been respected here, it has been acknowledged here, and it has also been acknowledged here too. So as you can see, this is actually very, very good for us to like notice. Even right here, it has been respected here too. So this is actually something very, very good for us to take note of. Yes, this is something we need to take note of. So because of that, I would say worst case scenario, we might be getting a breakdown from this resistance right here, because we, in as much as we have bounced off from this level right here, this is actually where we need to focus more on. This is where we need to focus more on the $80 price range. Is where we need to focus more on. So if we're getting a move like this, if we're breaking out, fine, but we need to break out with volume, a retest, and we can rally much higher. But if we are getting a breakdown from here, we can't break out, maybe we get a fake out, and then we get back into this below this resistance range, we're definitely getting a retest, and we're dropping all the way down to $66. Now when we get to this place, we'll definitely know what to do next. If we are definitely going to be getting a breakout with a retest, then we'll get a decline all the way down to 49 or the $50 range, or not. So this is just all I have to say for Litecoin for now. I just want to make it clear to each and every one of us, and once more to make it clear to us that we don't have to forget that we've had a very, very bad what should I say, candle right here, and this candle is it's a whole lot of red flag. And I used to say that whenever you get a candle like this, that candle will definitely be retested. So it is either in the bear market, we will crash all the way down to almost $1 for Litecoin. This is really, really bad. Though we're getting a lot of ETF being filed for Litecoin, but it still doesn't change that fact that this candle is still existing. This candle is still on our chart. So this is very, very crazy. This is very, very crazy. This was a how many percent pull to the downside? This was 100% move to the downside in a day. In a day, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. So do not ignore that, and also trade cautiously on if I'm to trade Litecoin is not the coin that I will be trading without putting stop loss. So you have to always put stop loss on Litecoin, because you could see what happened there. So anything could possibly happen. Anything could possibly happen. Maybe when we come here and we break below this with a confirmation candle here, no one knows. We could drop more than $60-$50. We could drop as low as $33 or $30. So it all depends. So just place your stop losses always when you're trading Litecoin. That's the only advice I can give you. So it all depends on the fundamentals. If we're going to be breaking out or not, it all depends on the fundamentals. With US and China trade war, it all depends on the fundamentals. So without wasting much of your time, do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friend. And if you're a trader, links are down below. Platforms where you could use to trade, such as Bybit, Gates.io, and Weex. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and peace out.